Hey guys, welcome back to my another important video. Today I am going to show you how to change your Instagram account username. First of all, open your Play Store apps on your mobile phone and update your Instagram account. So search here, write Instagram. If your Instagram account updated, so now tap on open. Now tap on top left corner your Instagram account picture. Now tap on top right corner 3 horizontal line. Now tap on account setter. Now tap on profile. And now select your Instagram account. Just see here and click on username. Now you select your username. Just done. Your username already changed it. See here. I hope finally now you can easily change your Instagram username. If you found this video helpful, so please like this video and share with your friend and comment on your opinion in my comment box. And if you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel